Alright guys, welcome back to the 5th update on Tropical Cyclone Darian, which is weakening, and probably it's going to weaken forever now. It may do a little bit of re-strengthening, but it is pretty unlikely as of this stage. It is moving southeast and southwestwards at this stage, sort of in between both of them. It's sort of moving southeast and then southwest. It's sort of wobbling around at this stage, since it isn't really moving that much, as you can see on the satellite imagery. The eye did since clear up, however, it is on the edge of the Himawari satellite, so the eye still may be out a little bit, but we can't really see that. And the cloud tops of this stage have seriously waned to a mere minus 60 degrees Celsius. So the cloud tops have seriously waned. That's probably why a lot of satellite estimates at this stage are going below Category 3 status. Currently, the storm has maximum sustained winds of 110 miles per hour, that is 95 knots, gusting with winds of 130 miles per hour, a pressure of 950 millibars. It is moving southwest at 3 miles per hour, and this is estimated by the open air model at 1400 UTC, and this is a grey warning on my brand new scale. And if you do not know what a grey warning is, a grey warning is essentially no threats to land. This cyclone is not bringing any threats to land, as of the latest update brought to you by Curtis Simplified. So take a look at the estimates here. JTWC 110 miles per hour, ATCF 110 miles per hour, ADT all the way up at 120 miles per hour, and the Curtis Simplified analysis at 110 miles per hour. Take a look at the JTWC forecast cone here, and we can see the storm not really moving much as of now, but it is expected to weaken, and it's not expected to re-strengthen whatsoever. It could re-strengthen maybe a little bit, but at this stage it is pretty unlikely to re-strengthen. It's had 2 bouts of rapid intensification, and yeah, at this stage it's not likely to re-strengthen. It's probably just going to turn extratropical as it starts moving southwestward. Take a look at the H-Wharf 10-meter wind run here. We can see that the storm there, this is with it for the next 72 hours, and we can see they're initializing it with winds of 89 knots, so a pretty powerful storm system they're initializing it at. And they're expecting maybe it to re-intensify a little bit. We can see it does weaken quite quickly down to 56 knots, but then it strengthens back to around 62 knots. So it could maybe reach actually 72 knots at the end of the run, but I really highly doubt it. The H-Wharf is probably playing games with us. Take a look at the visible shortwave IR imagery here. We can see a very nice storm here still. Cloud tops though has seriously waned, and that's likely why we're going below Category 3 status at this time. The open air model, of course, estimating that. We can see the eye there. It's a lot more clearer on the visible imagery. It is likely still out a little bit, probably around minus 30 to 20 degrees. It doesn't look like it's fully cleared out as it was yesterday. Take a look at the true color zoomed out imagery here. We can see that really nice inflow band there. Wow, it's very good inflow. Stretching very far, but as you can see in the storm system, it's questionable at this stage. It's not looking the best. It's not looking nowhere near as good as it was a few days ago, but still the ocean could be packing wind gusts of 130 miles per hour, so very high waves in the vicinity of the storm, definitely with those 130 mile per hour wind gusts. But the storm is expected to stay well away from any land at this stage. It's not even going to be a threat really for waves. It's just going to be a threat for the ocean, a fish storm. Anyway, thank you for watching this update on Tropical Cyclone Darian. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.